Who would you rather be? Get ready to choose the best superhero. Would you rather team up with Batman or Iron Man? Batman has genius detective abilities and amazing gadgets. Iron Man has flying armor abilities and powerful tech weapons. Would you rather fly with Superman or Thor? Superman has super strength abilities, flight abilities, and heat vision abilities. Thor has thunder abilities, lightning abilities, and hammer powers. Would you rather swing with Spider-Man or race with the Flash? Spider-Man has web-slinging abilities, wall-crawling abilities, and spider sense abilities. The Flash has super speed abilities and lightning-fast reflex abilities. Would you rather train with Wonder Woman or Captain America? Wonder Woman has warrior abilities, super strength abilities, and lasso abilities. Captain America has leadership abilities, shield skills, and enhanced strength abilities. Would you rather visit Atlantis with Aquaman or Wakanda with Black Panther? Aquaman has underwater abilities, ocean command abilities, and super strength abilities. Black Panther has stealth abilities, agility abilities, and vibranium suit powers. Would you rather learn magic from Doctor Strange or Scarlet Witch? Doctor Strange has magic abilities, portal abilities, and spellcasting abilities. Scarlet Witch has chaos magic abilities and mind power abilities. Would you rather fight beside Hulk or Shazam? Hulk has smash abilities and incredible strength abilities. Shazam has lightning abilities, flight abilities, and super strength abilities. Would you rather go on a mission with Black Widow or Catwoman? Black Widow has spy abilities, martial arts abilities, and stealth abilities. Catwoman has acrobatic abilities, sneaky abilities, and expert thief skills. Would you rather solve mysteries with Robin or Ms. Marvel? Robin has detective abilities, acrobatic abilities, and teamwork skills. Ms. Marvel has stretching abilities, shape-changing abilities, and embiggening powers. Would you rather glide over Gotham with Batgirl or fly through space with Captain Marvel? Batgirl has gadget abilities, martial arts abilities, and detective skills. Captain Marvel has cosmic energy abilities, flight abilities, and super strength abilities. Would you rather shoot arrows with Green Arrow or Hawkeye? Green Arrow has expert archery abilities and trick arrow abilities. Hawkeye has master aim abilities and amazing bow skills. Would you rather explore space with Green Lantern or Star-Lord? Green Lantern has ring abilities that create anything with light energy. Star-Lord has blaster abilities, space pilot skills, and leader abilities. Would you rather have a speed lesson from Quicksilver or Kid Flash? Quicksilver has super speed abilities and quick reaction abilities. Kid Flash has speed force abilities and super fast running abilities. Would you rather use ice powers with Iceman or Killer Frost? Iceman has freezing abilities, ice slide abilities, and snowmaking powers. Killer Frost has cold abilities, freezing abilities, and ice blast powers. Would you rather shrink with Ant-Man or grow with Atom? Ant-Man has shrinking abilities, growing abilities, and ant communication powers. Atom has shrinking abilities and science-powered suit abilities. Would you rather hang out with Groot or Beast Boy? Groot has tree abilities, branch-growing abilities, and strong body powers. Beast Boy has animal transformation abilities and shape-shifting powers. Would you rather ride with Ghost Rider or Blue Beetle? Ghost Rider has fire chain abilities and spooky spirit powers. Blue Beetle has armor abilities, blaster abilities, and flying tech powers. Would you rather protect a city with Daredevil or Nightwing? Daredevil has radar sense abilities and expert fighting abilities. Nightwing has acrobatic abilities, staff skills, and stealth abilities. Would you rather have weather powers like Storm or lightning powers like Black Adam? Storm has weather control abilities, wind abilities, and lightning powers. Black Adam has lightning abilities, flight abilities, and super strength abilities. Would you rather go invisible with Invisible Woman or Martian Manhunter? Invisible Woman has invisibility abilities and force field abilities. Martian Manhunter has invisibility abilities, flight abilities, and shape-shifting powers. Would you rather bounce into action with Plastic Man or Mr. Fantastic? Plastic Man has stretching abilities, shape-changing abilities, and funny fighting moves. Mr. Fantastic has stretching abilities and super genius abilities. Would you rather use sonic powers with Black Canary or Banshee? Black Canary has sonic scream abilities and expert combat abilities. Banshee has sonic flight abilities and screaming sound powers. Would you rather team up with Cyborg or War Machine? Cyborg has tech abilities, cannon abilities, and computer powers. War Machine has armored flight abilities and heavy weapon abilities. Would you rather sneak through shadows with Moon Knight or Raven? Moon Knight has fighting abilities, moon-powered strength abilities, and stealth skills. Raven has dark magic abilities, teleport abilities, and energy powers. Would you rather protect the galaxy with Nova or Adam Strange? Nova has cosmic flight abilities and energy blast abilities. Adam Strange has space hero skills, blaster abilities, and jetpack powers. Would you rather command the seas with Mera or Namor? Mera has water control abilities and underwater combat abilities. Namor has underwater abilities, flight abilities, and super strength abilities. Would you rather have super hearing like Superman or sonar powers like Echo? Superman has super hearing abilities along with many other super abilities. Echo has expert copy abilities and amazing combat skills. Would you rather lead a team with Cyclops or Supergirl? Cyclops has optic blast abilities and leader abilities. Supergirl has flight abilities, super strength abilities, and heat vision abilities. Would you rather use a shield like Captain America or a trident like Aquaman? Captain America has shield-throwing abilities and brave leader abilities. Aquaman has trident abilities, ocean powers, and underwater abilities. Would you rather become tiny with Wasp or fly high with Falcon? Wasp has shrinking abilities, flight abilities, and energy sting powers. Falcon has flying wing abilities and expert combat skills. Would you rather work with Rocket or Harley Quinn? Rocket has blaster abilities, clever building skills, and space survival abilities. Harley Quinn has wild fighting abilities and acrobatic skills. Would you rather use magic cards with Zatanna or illusion tricks with Loki? Zatanna has magic spell abilities and stage magician powers. Loki has illusion abilities, trickster magic abilities, and shape-shifting powers. Would you rather have claws like Wolverine or Black Panther? Wolverine has healing abilities, metal claw abilities, and fierce fighting skills. Black Panther has claw suit abilities, agility abilities, and stealth powers. Would you rather explore the multiverse with America Chavez or the Atom? America Chavez has portal punch abilities and super strength abilities. The Atom has shrinking abilities and brilliant science abilities. Would you rather blast energy with Human Torch or Firestorm? Human Torch has fire abilities, flight abilities, and flame blast powers. Firestorm has fire abilities and matter-changing powers. Would you rather be a hero on land with Wonder Woman or in space with Silver Surfer? Wonder Woman has warrior abilities, speed abilities, and super strength abilities. Silver Surfer has cosmic surfboard abilities, flight abilities, and energy powers. Would you rather fight crime with Jessica Jones or Huntress? Jessica Jones has super strength abilities and detective abilities. Huntress has crossbow abilities and fearless fighting skills. Would you rather have metal powers like Magneto or electric powers like Static? Magneto has magnet control abilities and metal moving powers. Static has electric abilities, flying board abilities, and shock powers. Would you rather join the Guardians with Gamora or the Titans with Starfire? Gamora has sword fighting abilities and strong warrior skills. Starfire has starbolt abilities, flight abilities, and energy powers. Would you rather race across rooftops with Black Cat or Spider-Gwen? Black Cat has sneaky abilities, agility abilities, and lucky escape skills. Spider-Gwen has web-swinging abilities, wall-crawling abilities, and spider sense abilities. Would you rather be protected by Vision or Dr. Fate? Vision has phasing abilities, laser abilities, and flying abilities. Dr. Fate has magic abilities, spellcasting abilities, and mystical powers. Would you rather have strong punches like Luke Cage or powerful jumps like She-Hulk? Luke Cage has tough skin abilities and super strength abilities. She-Hulk has super strength abilities and giant jumping abilities. Would you rather be a cosmic hero like Photon or Green Lantern? Photon has light energy abilities and flying abilities. Green Lantern has ring abilities that create glowing energy tools. Would you rather master gadgets with Blue Beetle or Batwing? Blue Beetle has armor abilities, blaster abilities, and flight abilities. Batwing has flying tech abilities and high-tech combat powers. Would you rather trick villains with Mysterio or Scarecrow? Mysterio has illusion abilities and special effects powers. Scarecrow has fear gas abilities and spooky mind tricks. Would you rather have sword skills like Deadpool or Katana? Deadpool has healing abilities, sword abilities, and funny action skills. Katana has sword fighting abilities and expert warrior skills. Would you rather use sound waves with Shuri's tech or Black Canary's voice? Shuri has genius inventor abilities and amazing tech skills. Black Canary has sonic scream abilities and expert fighter abilities. Would you rather freeze villains with Iceman or Captain Cold? Iceman has ice-making abilities and freezing powers. Captain Cold has freeze gun abilities and cold blast powers. Would you rather have agility like Nightcrawler or flight like Hawkman? Nightcrawler has teleport abilities, climbing abilities, and acrobatic skills. Hawkman has flight abilities, mace combat skills, and warrior powers. Would you rather save the day with Spider-Man or Superman? Spider-Man has web abilities, spider sense abilities, and wall-crawling abilities. Superman has flight abilities, super strength abilities, and heat vision abilities. Now comment who the strongest superhero is.